Hello everyone, myself I'm Soundarya. I'm currently pursuing my 7th SEM in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today let us discuss about network management, dumbbell architecture and interoperability. Basically, what do you mean by network management? Network management, it refers to a process of administrating, monitoring, and maintaining the computer network to ensure optimal performance and reliability and security. Next, let us discuss about network management dumbbell architecture. What do you mean by dumbbell architecture in a context? Dumbbell architecture context is a network management typically refers to a network design where two separate network segment or a cluster of devices are connected to central core or a backbone. This resembles a dumbbell shape with a core or a backbone acting as a handle of dumbbell and two cluster of devices and weights and either ends. Now, let us deeply discuss about dumbbell architecture. It is a core or a backbone. Core or a backbone dumbbell network is a high capacity, high performance network segment that connects the two clusters of devices. This core network is typically designed for maximum reliability, high bandwidth, and low latencies. It serves as a central point of connective between two clusters and ensures efficient data exchange between them. Cluster 1, one end of dumbbell consists of a cluster of devices such as servers, switches, routers that are interconnected to form a network segment. This cluster represents a portion of network where a specific devices and applications are hosted or managed. It includes data center service and other group devices in this. Now, cluster 2. The other end of a dumbbell also contains a cluster of devices similar to cluster 1. These devices may serve different functions or host different services compared to a cluster 1. The devices in cluster 2 are interconnected within their segment and can include a server, storage devices, switches, and other infrastructure components. Network management dumbbell architecture can have a significant impact on a network management. They are traffic management, redundancy and high availability, security. Traffic management, the core management handles the traffic between the two clusters, allowing the efficient traffic management and load balancing. Network management tools and policies can be applied to control how traffic flows between these segments. Redundancies and high availability. Dumbbell architecture are often include redundancies and failure mechanism in a code to ensure the high availability. Network management plays a crucial role in monitoring the health of core and ostratic failover procedure when necessary. Security. Network management tools and security policies can be applied at various points within the dumbbell architecture to protect both cluster from security threats. This includes firewall and introducing the detection system and access control policies. Now, this is a diagram of interoperability. Now, you have, as you see in the diagram, we have two vendors in this, vendor A and vendor B. It includes number of objects which is present in vendor A and also number of objects which is present in vendor B. Now in middle we have a application service and management protocol, transport protocol. Number of applications will be present in a vendor A. This application services will be managed and it will be sent to a vendor B. And here this process, it will take place, the sending process, which is called as a transport protocol. This is about the interoperability. Basically, we have a vendor A and vendor B, and which services which will be transferred. This is called as a interoperability. Now let us see the definition of it. Interoperability is a real-time data exchange between a different systems that speaks directly to one another in a several same language or different language, instantly interoperating incoming data and presenting it as a receipt presenting original context. Now let us deeply study what are all we have seen in the diagram. Multi-vendor compatibility. Network often comprise a hardware and a software from various vendors. Interoperability ensures this components and functions together convincingly, allowing the organization to choose the best solution for the needs without being locked and single vendor. Protocol compatibility. Network uses various communication protocol and standards such as TCP, IP, and SNMP. Devices management tools support, and this protocol exchange the information using them. Cross-platform compatibility. Interoperable extends beyond hardware and includes a software application and platform. Network management tools should be capable of working or different operating systems, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. Standardization. Industry standard order protocol and data formats plays a crucial role in achieving the interoperability. For example, simple network management protocol is widely used and monitoring the managing network services because of standardization. Data exchange and information will be shared here. I hope you have learned new thing from this video. Keep learning. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and support to my channel. Thank you.